I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start in Settings right now. Open Settings and tap Photos to bring up all photo controls. Because iCloud Photos changes how deletions sync, make sure you check whether iCloud Photos is on or off before removing anything. If you need to keep a copy, back up first, AirDrop to a Mac, upload to iCloud Drive, or transfer to a computer. This prevents accidental loss. Once you've confirmed backup and iCloud status, move to selecting which photos to remove. Now go to the Photos app to pick files to delete. Open Library or the appropriate album and tap Select, then tap each image or swipe to choose groups quickly. When you tap Delete, note the prompt. If iCloud Photos is on, the deletion will remove the image across all devices. If off, it deletes only from this device. After deleting, visit Recently Deleted and either recover items within 30 days or permanently delete to reclaim storage immediately. Finish by deciding how deletions should behave system-wide. If you want deletions to affect only this iPhone, turn off iCloud Photos in Settings. Make sure you understand that turning it off may download originals or remove synced files. To free space immediately, go to Settings General iPhone Storage and Manage Photos Storage. If a photo won't delete, restart the device, confirm you're signed into iCloud, and check your network. Often a simple restart or storage sync resolves the issue.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.